Hey guys, got my last package of the unboxings. So this is the last one. I guess it came in yesterday night after I got my after my other package, so it's been sitting for a day or so, and I just now got it. So yeah, this is the last unboxing. And then, actually, we still got the re-unboxing. So, yeah. Holy crap, dude! This thing's like C4, all nice and packaged. I don't even know where to start with this. Gosh, dang. The hell. Here we go, got it. Alright, hang on. Ah, fuck. That's what not to do with a knife. Don't stab yourself. Pop, pop, big noise. There we go. Fucking packing paper. So first is, actually I'll do that second. So first things first, I got a S&T suppressor. There we go. It's a 220mm. Looks really nice. I actually love this thing. It's a 14CW, so that's what will be going onto my MG36. Sadly, I have not ordered the C-Mag yet because they're $100 and something bucks, and I still need to get the money for that. But on the bright side, I have everything else. So here we go. Oh, this thing is awesome. This thing's pretty. It's not light, but it's not heavy. It's perfect. See, it's a 35 by 220. This suppressor was 17 bucks, and it is honestly a great suppressor from what I can tell. It just feels like quality, and it looks awesome. I wasn't expecting it to look that good. Alright, and then the second thing I got is this. For you gun owners, you know exactly what this is. It's a Seymour sight. Let me pull this out. Oh, dude, this looks great. I have wanted one of these for my UMP ever since I got one. Just look at that. Oh. This is what a reflex sight should look like. Nothing. All those other reflex sights don't look like real reflex sights. This is what a reflex sight looks like. Oh, they turned it on, I think. Did they? No. I wonder if it does come with batteries or not. With this, I got two Allen keys, which is great. Let me go, hang on. 1 second. This one is a 3mm, which is your typical, you know, for like, say your UMP, like for your rails, the little screws right here. That's what this is for. This one, it's that size. Man, I can't get it in. There we go. See, it's that size. It's it's for your thing. Then this little one is for little things, such as on this site, there are little screws for the battery spot. But alright, and the big one also goes to the rail attachment. But it comes with a cleaning cloth, as you can see, and that's about it in the manuals. And it comes with this little black piece, which I have no clue what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna have to figure out what type of batteries this takes and get some batteries for it. Let me loosen this baby up and put it on. Oh, dude, this objective lens is just so pretty. Let's see if I can get it. Just look at that perfect, beautiful red. Oh, you can't really see it on here. Oh, it's just beautiful. Beautiful sight. Hang on 1 second. Just gonna tighten these up. Oh, dude, this screw likes to hold on to the screw likes to hold on to the wrench. I think that just got stripped. Either way, that's what a UMP should look like. See more on it. Oh. Let me grab my magazine here. Oh, I just love Seymour sights. Looks so nice. Looks great, especially on a UMP. And then the suppressor is, like I said before, for the G36, but I want to try something really fast. I want to see, sort of want to see what's inside too. Okay, there's just foam little inserts inside. I was hoping that I was going to be able to get that inside, but you can't, sadly. Whatever. Still looks great. So yeah, that's what I got today. That is the last unboxing, like I said before. And I want to see if this did get stripped. Yep, it got stripped, but I can use a screwdriver. I like this because, look at this back screw just got stripped, but it's really cool because I can use a flathead and get it off. So that's really cool. But gosh dang, I just love Seymour sights. Beautiful sights, just absolutely stunning. Update, I fixed my UMP. I was going to do a video last night, but it ended up taking me 2 hours, and I recorded the entire thing, but I didn't want to upload a 6-hour or 2-hour video, so obviously I'm not going to upload it. But I ran into a couple of issues. I broke the selector plate, but it still works. But now, whenever I put it in semi and pull the trigger on when the battery's in, I don't know if this is a gearbox problem or something else, but I'll pull the trigger and it will stick. Like, I'll pull the trigger, it'll go bang, and I'll let go, but it will stick back, and then I have to push it forward to recycle it so I can pull it again. So my semi works, but it doesn't work at the same time. So I'm gonna, have to use full auto, which, I mean, I could care less because that's all that I ever do use with this gun. But yeah, it's a nice little update for you guys. Oh. Okay, so I guess the sight came with a battery. See there, you can see it. See it. Well, anyways, yeah, so it came with a battery and it's working. This has parallax vision, awesome. Stays just about right on target. I love this sight already. I guess the battery is always on. That is sort of funky. Hang on, I'm sort of trying to figure this thing out. See, this is why, okay, so like, some of you guys might be wondering how this works. The back one, right here, is for the battery to turn it on and off. It is always on, from what I can tell. It is always on, which is weird. Might be an issue with mine, but I could care less because I guess it came on because it's always been on. Let me see. Yeah, it's on even when it should be off. So I'm guessing this thing is like the real Seymour and can stay on forever and ever and ever, because that's how real Seymours are. But as you can see how you can see that red dot? That's where the red dot comes from, is from this little box right here. And you can adjust it up, down, left, right, etc. So I mean, the sight is awesome though. I love this thing. Looks so great on a UMP. It honestly is the only sight that should ever be put on a UMP. Or the only reflex sight that should be put on a UMP. The thing just looks great. From what I can tell, it's off to the right too much, but I'll play around with it, get it adjusted. And I guess that is the last the last true unboxing, and then we have, the re-unboxing, and then that will be it. And then we will start uploading stuff as we see fit, or whenever we get new stuff. Which means that there more than likely will be a video in March of us playing. Of us airsofting down at SC Village. I shall see you guys later. Oh, also the manual for the Seymour tells you what each thing does right there. So, you actually do get construction, or you do get whatever you want to call it, instructions. So, recap, got a suppressor, which I didn't talk about much for some reason, and mainly because I don't have my G36, and I got a Seymour sight for, I guess, both my G36 and my UMP. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the G36 when I get it back, as well as the other scope that I got. I shall see you guys soon with the next video. Have fun, enjoy airsofting, get out and play. Stupid thing does not want to stop.